Okay. I'm just on my way outside. Taking a look. We're taking a look at Nature's Priority by my cousin Brady. Steve the Kid 119. Go subscribe to his channel, because this is where he was. I think he was showing you a video of where he was showing you his real gun. Don't forget, Steve the Kid 119. I'll link it down to the description. Looking at the beautiful tree. Okay. Let's go see Nature's Priority. Okay. Okay, on the grass. Traveling on the road. Look at, oh, can't you believe this nature flash? Oh my god, so beautiful. Okay, so gonna take a look at everything around here. Birds are out singing the lovely song. Here I am enjoying the singing. What's that? Oh well. I think it's now time to investigate. Let's grab the back so we could like over there. Okay, why don't we go see what's over there right now? Okay.